Hi, my name is Yong, Sunway ID 200000543. I'll be giving an explanation and rundown of my Mastermind code today. Okay, so here's the program, the instructions, the welcome, everything. We have 10 tries. Here's the correct answer: yellow, orange, yellow, red. Just putting it here for me to demonstrate. So for example, if we type in blue, 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 we get 0 for both correct color in correct place and correct color in wrong place, because blue doesn't exist in the list here at all. And then we go from 10 tries down to 9 tries. Next, if we select the colors orange, yellow, yellow, red, yellow, then we get 4 correct colors, but in the wrong place, because everything is jumbled up. And if we type in yellow, orange, red, yellow, we get 2 correct colors in correct place and 2 correct colors in wrong place, because the yellow and this yellow is in the same place, the orange here and the orange here is in the same place, but these two are swapped. So, and finally, if we just type in like the correct answer, like yellow, orange, yellow, red, then we win the game. And then it's like you'll say how many turns you win it in, and if they ask if you want to play again, if you want to play again, you just say yes, and then it repeats. Okay, now for the demonstration, we're in the last part. As you can see, I'm like down to 1 try, and then if we mess this up, we get it all wrong, and then you'll display the correct answer, and you'll tell you like, oh, you ran out of tries. This time we don't feel like playing again, so we just go with no, and then it'll just end the program just like that. I also put in some procedures, some safeguards from typing invalid answers. Like if we type in just P, it will just say it's not valid answer. We can type whatever we want. It won't let us move on from color 1. So if we type like a valid answer like pink, they will let us move on to color 2 from color 1, and this goes on for all 4 colors. Okay, now we move on to the code itself. These are like the rules, all the options, and then this is the correct answer, the 4 colors used for the game. So using the game start function, you append in four random colors into the list answer. This one is just for the demo just now, and here's the game start to actually execute the function. Okay, so now we come to the main part of the program, the engine function, with 10 tries. The guess list, whatever the player inputs goes into this list. A clone of the answers that I can play around with without changing the real answer is important for the game to work, because it interacts with my logic system down here. A few counters that keep track of the hints, like correct color, correct place, correct color, wrong place. A few timers that do the UI stuff, making sure whatever the player types in is a valid answer, printing out the player's answer so they can easily compare. And this whole part is a logic which I'll explain later. And here's like the win condition, losing after too many attempts, print out the hints, reset the counters for the hints, because every time you put in a new input, then you'll give you new hints, and then the remaining attempts counter. And then here's the play again function, where you get to reset the game if you type in yes or no as demonstrated just now. Now I'd like to give you a visual explanation on my program's logic. So let's say the answer is blue, red, pink, green, and your given answer is blue, pink, red, red. So obviously blue and blue are correct color, correct place. So here's B, here's B. If the answer and the guess, like B and B matches, you'll replace the B on the top with use, the word use, and you'll replace the word blue for the guess here now with gone. And for every pair, you add 1 to the correct color, correct place counter. The next part over here is after matching the correct color, correct place thing. Then we move on to the other colors. They are in the correct colors but in the wrong place. So this one's a continuation of this part. and then you'll move on to like this. You'll check the guess like P here, and then you'll match with everything above. Like P doesn't match with the word use, it doesn't match with the word red, but it matches with the pink here. So you'll make a pair, and then you replace the pink here with the word used and gone. And then we move on to the next color, which is red. The red will check with the first one. Is red the same word as used? No. Is red the same word as red? Yes. So it will replace red here with used and gone again. So this repeats for everything, and for each pair of like pink, for each pair of boxes like pink here, red here, we add 1 to the correct color wrong place counter. Ultimately, when the correct color correct place counter reaches 4, this one reaches 4, then it triggers the condition to win the game. If it's not achieved in 10 tries, then you'll just show the game over screen. That's all for my presentation. I don't have much time left. Thank you very much.